Hey, I'm Alan Brito from Blender 3D Architect, and welcome to this tutorial about modeling pediments, which is a classic architectural ornament that goes on top of windows and doors, and you can create them easily here in Blender using the Bevel Modifier with custom profiles. Let me show you the workflow, what you have to do to create those details here. I have two objects. One is a stretched cube, nothing special, and this object here was a plane that I created this arc shape with the spin tool. First thing I have to do on either of those is to create a vertex group, because you want to limit your bevel just to the bottom or just one side of the object. If you apply the bevel now, let me just maximize this editor, and if I apply the bevel modifier, let me increase the size of the bevel to 30 centimeters and the number of segments to 40. And as you can see, it will apply the bevel on all sides. I don't want that. Let's create a vertex group. For that, I have to go into object mode, or sorry, edit mode, select your edges, and here I will create a vertex group. I'm using the object data tab, and I will call this bottom. Hit the assign button, make sure you have your weight as 1. And now I can come back to the modifiers and choose here the limit method to vertex group and select your bottom, and just the bottom of your object will receive the bevel. Now, what we can do here is opening the profile, going to custom, and you can create your custom based on the shape of this curve. Whenever you click in any of this, in any location of this curve, you'll be adding a node that you can deform. If I zoom in closely, you can see the differences. To remove any of those points, you can select them again and click this X button. It will remove the node, and you can change the node type from here. For instance, let's change it to free, and you will have handles that you can use to create additional details. Let me get this one as aligned. And this last one here. And we have some pendants. I can use this on top of a window, on top of a door. And it also works for arcs. Let me do the same thing here. We can create a vertex group. Let's try with this interior shape here. If you want to select the entire arc at once, you can press and hold the Alt key and click on any edge. It will select the edge loop. We can create a vertex group for this one. Let's go with arc, assign, and I will apply a bevel modifier again. Let's change it to 0.4 for 40 centimeters. The limit method will be vertex group. We can change this to 40 segments. And from here, I can expand my profile, custom, and start working on my profile. Let me change this into free type. And as you can see, if you want to get close to the object, you can even start to look here and see the updates on your profile. You can see this large curve here at the bottom. If I add a node and add some sharp edges there, you will see it update right here. So this is an easy way to create architectural pediments or pediments for your doors and windows. I hope you like this tutorial. If you find it, if you think it's useful, it might help someone else, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the future tutorials. See you next time. Bye.